Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to buy and sell meme coins on Autosniper AI. So what you can do is to come over to autosnipe.ai and this is what you're going to see, Autosnipe, and it's on the Solana network. Now what you need to also do is to go over to the top right area where you have your wallet. My wallet is already connected. You can click on it and then it's going to give you the prompt to connect your wallet if you've not connected it already. So in order to deposit funds in your Autosnipe wallet, you can use this wallet address using the Solana network to buy some Solana in order to make your trade successfully. Now, when that's done, you can go back over to the home page where you have all these options. You have trade length, AI snipers, copy trading, and you also have the option to earn by referring friends. So if you'd like to set up a copy trade, that's an option, but we're going to be showing you how to buy and sell meme coins. So these are meme coins right here, but before you choose any of them, these are some of the suggestions you might want to take. For example, you're going to want to toggle this on, hide rugs, and this basically hides tokens with a very low liquidity. And this is because if you purchase tokens with low liquidity, you might experience rug pulls. So this automatically tries to hide them. You also have the option for instant buy to speed up the process of buying. Now, when you toggle this on, this will actually change right here. Just going to bring it down a bit so we can see it. As you can see, if we toggle this off, you can see buy. And if we toggle this back on, you can see instant buy is activated. You also have filters here where you can set up some filters based on what you want and then choose a token. Now, in order to buy and sell meme coins, you can come over to the right side here where you have buy, sell, and also you can see some history here. Now, under buy, you have two options. You can either buy at market value, which is the current price, as indicated right here, or you could buy at a limit order. So this basically says you want to buy it at a particular position. So you could choose the amount you want to buy and say, I want to buy this amount, buy Flappy at market cap under 1%. So it says buying at -1% lower from the current market cap. Now, if you want to change this, you have the option to buy it at a particular price in Solana or in USD. So you could choose the option you want and also set the percentage you'd like to buy it as. So if you're waiting for a 15% discount, as some might consider it, you can set it at this, set the amount, and also set the expiry. You can set it as never, 10 minutes, or a custom time. The choice is up to you. And after that's done, you could go ahead and buy a token. The same settings can be applied if you'd like to sell. For example, if you buy it at a low price and you want to sell it at a higher price, you can come over here with the limit order, select at the market cap of plus 10%. You could also set the amount you'd like to sell if you want to sell 100% or just about 50%. Now, you could also set the expiry and advanced settings such as the slippage, smart MEV protection, bribery amount, priority fee, and things like that. And then you could go ahead and sell it. So these are the options available and how you can go about selling or buying meme coins on Autosniper AI.